you guys, today we are on the road to love drifting baseplate video. So guys, what this is this is one thing that you can drift a lot. Actually, full edit, full edit me more views. So guys, if you see this, hopefully try this game out. It's really fun, but I recommend you guys to start with Bavaria 40x. So if you don't know what that car is, it's the car that we are talking about. When we go actually the drifting skill, shows the map. I recommend you to play with Bavaria. So I'll show you what it is. So you go up here, you go to car spawn, you have your Bavaria. This is your very best one, the one that you actually start with. And you're saying, guys, how is this so good? Because this is actually just it's just a starter car. But guys, this ain't no starter car. This is a starter car for max for higher neutral. So here are the maps we have. We have, well, unfortunately, baseplate, the classic. You can do anything with it. It's a little tricky map, but I'll show you guys what it is like to be inside, and I'll show you some tips. So first, get to my car. So we get to our car, and these are on the races. But first we got this one here. Wait. This one, that one, I mean, that's the most best shortcut I've ever seen for this. It'll literally boost you right to it. That's why they added it, because it boosts you right to the other side. That's how you get in. Now there's another one. I think it's this one. It's the same thing, but it's useful when races. Wait. So you go through here. So you're in one place, but your last place, and they don't use the shortcut at all. They just make it simple. But what you can do, you can actually go like this. You can go on the wall, or go on the tip. The tip is the thing that you really need to do. Because the tip will make you win. Like, you go from here, go like this. You start, go, you raise it, then where you got at this point, I think it cuts the wind. At this point, you will just do the same thing. But that would be a trick to lead you to here. I think I should use the barbarian for here. Guys, thank you for staying subscribed. Excellent. This is 40 not that much. I just started 4 days ago. 3 days ago. So guys, while we're here, we can do some tips here. When drifting, you just go forward like this. You don't even hesitate and you're gonna crash. But if you want to smooth, hesitant, drift, like this one here, then you should, so when drifting, usually you should also go with so if you know the map that well, you can just do that. You can just if you know the map pretty well, like I do, you can get ready to brake. Because this would mean that you will actually control your speed. You can actually control your speed. No, well, the brake is space bar. I don't know for you know that, guys. So this would be you if you would not use those brakes. I'll just go smooth and then. So you go smooth, no brakes. Okay, you're going pretty well. You're drifting so far, right? And then boom. Don't use the brakes. At this point, you should use brakes. When there's a pointy spot, like this one here, press space, and then boom. Just unlock your little freestyle. You unlock your freestyle APA, the one that's gonna be good. And we got second important one. It's useful tricks. So, like on the map, like upside map, like the map on upside map. So in upside map, wait, let me just go there. So you guys are waiting for me very peacefully. I don't want to be very slow like this. Because I don't know how to edit the video. I only know how to do writing and stuff. Basic. And when you're in the lobby, topside past this one here, you go, if you go in it and you can't get who seem to get good ones. So I recommend for good players this one because you have loads of free space. So I would use this on Dockside Park. You can do that is to reverse and then a turnaround, and that will make it smooth. So if you want a freestyle, you can do that. That's a good one there. So the best time to use this is when you have enough time. And if you don't, unfortunately, you're gonna have to do backward drift, and you're not definitely not good at that like this. Don't wanna do that. That's only for freestyle. If you want a freestyle, you can do that, but you need to know your limits. Your limits, your rules. Limits is always the best thing to do. Like, and also guys, so you didn't know about this one, so you know about that U-turn in Dockside Park? Well, to be honest, you should really just do the U-turn as early as possible, because in races, such thing as in races, the best thing to do is keep your brake, keep your balance on speed, like what I said in the beginning. You should turn very early, like I'm doing here, because it will get you smoother turns, like this one here. It will give you smoother turns and more free time to react. But if you get too comfortable, like so if you have like a good score, let's say you have 50,000 by doing this, yeah, I would say try to do everything smooth. The scores keep on to your movement thing. Because of the scores I've seen, once I didn't do my scores, they always stop when I stopped moving. That's why, I don't know, face planting into a wall or stuff to score. So try to avoid that as much as you can, because that will break your score. Like, and over drifting. Over drifting is one problem. Basically, is like, so you're drifting smooth, but you like drift too much that you literally stop your car. I don't know how to demonstrate that because I'm a good drifter and I only know what to do myself. So like, when you do a very T turn, you can do that. A very T turn, like this. That will break your drifts. That's what you do not want to do there. Do like a bit of a T-turn like this and just move across the side of the T-turn. That will keep you balanced with your drifting and won't make you just go crazy. Like, I mean, you can do that to do tricks, like reversing one. When reversing here, then yeah, you can just do that for reversing for the T-turn, the very T-turn. Now, hi, very T-turn, very T-turn will give you this opportunity. Very T-turn. You definitely don't want to do this, to be honest. But you can do, so when you're about to drift like that, you can do this. So you're drifting, let's say you're drifting here, and then boom. So you're doing the drift, doing everything, making a video here. I'm making a video. You can do this. It's like a reverse turn, but it's not. It's not a reverse turn. Yeah, I'm making videos now because I retired like 6 months. It says 6 months, I think. I retired for 6 months. Driving in 2025, New Year. Yeah, I'm making tournament videos. But guys, racing someone might be a bit boring, so if you say race, we'll let you know that you wanna race. Now this guys, I said is peace. See you guys. I'll see you in a moment.